This is our favorite bulalo place. Bulalugaw is my favorite. Very good. Bulalo. Oh, boss, ang pagkain. Hello everyone. It's too hot. It's March 29th, a Monday. And it's so crazy hot. Thank God I could stay and feel the breeze a little bit. I think I already took how many showers and it's only like 1:30 p.m. So this is the place. This is called Santol Tree. And this one is called Sampalok Tree. That one right there is the mango tree. Over there are just some banana trees. That one is a Nara tree. And over here is another mango tree with the kamyas tree. So I'll be staying here for a while. I cannot really go swimming because I colored my hair and I don't want the pool to be a color red. So let's hang out here and enjoy the breeze. See you later. So I use this kind of wooden thing and it has this hole like a metal at the edge, and then you scrape it and it will look like this, like a shoe, like long strips of buko. And that's what we're going to do for now, and I'll show you the next step. Oh, and see this other fruits that I got from the farm. There's the landan, mango, and suha, and there's also some guyabano. This is how a guyabano looks like. See, it's like it's sour fruit. It has like every bite you will have some seeds. The inside is white. It's good too, sour. So this is how I do it. I scrape it with this, each part like that. You could also use this for cantaloupe, which is also a popular drink here in the Philippines. Cantaloupe juice. And then you put sugar on this coconut, a little bit of sugar, and then other people, they also put like milk, evaporated milk. And of course, if you want to put a little bit of water, it's on to your taste. So that's how they look like, shredded coconut, and then we add it on our water. So our buko juice is done. See, I'm just stirring it because I also put a condensed milk, just a little bit, just to have a sweeter taste. But it's up to you. You don't have to put the milk, but at this time I wanted to try it with the milk. And of course I have a big chunk of ice. Can you see that? So so good. It's like a milk coconut juice. Cheers! I have more to make. Bye! Okay, so I asked them to cut this again into half because I'm gonna make another batch of juice. While I was walking, I saw this one. This is a flower. It's called, I think, rosal. And I'll show you the tree where I got it from. It smells so good. This is what they put at the end of sampaguita. I'm not sure. Maybe a lot of you guys are familiar. For Filipinos, and of course my clients, I have a lot of Filipino clients, of course. And this is the tree. I'll show you. This is the tree of the rosal, and this is the plant, and this is how they look like when you take them off. I'm not just quite sure why are all this things. I don't know if they start from a bean like this and then if they become a flower, but yeah. So this is, we're here at the farm and banana. Can you see all this bananas? It seems like when they're ready to be harvested, the banana tree itself falls off. So that means it's giving us the chance to take out all these bananas. So let's check it out. I'm just giving it away so that I could grab the banana out. This is hard. Look at this. Okay, I have to be strong for this. There you go. Good. Look, guys. Look. Wow, it's heavy. Look how much I got. Okay, let's go. There's one more tree that's ready also. Whew. Okay, stop. Now we're here on the other side of the farm. And this is where I'm going to get that banana. Can you see? See, this is what happens. It's so heavy that this banana is not good anymore. So I think it's ready to be harvested. But let's see how will we do this. So this is the puso ng saging. That means when dried up, or even though you see it's still nice, you cannot eat it anymore because they already got all the banana up here. So let's see how will we gonna take this banana out. This off, the whole thing's gonna fall off. Okay. Okay. Last. Ah! Oh, that was heavy. Okay, you catch that? Thank you, Sarah. Look at this, guys. It's heavy. Okay, see you later. We will enjoy these bananas. Bye-bye.